Hello, my name is Fedor, and today we will talk about how to organize remote work of your company with ICS CUBE. So there are two universal functions in ICS CUBE which will help to set up remote access easy and safely: VPN and OpenVPN. First, let's figure out what a VPN is. A virtual private network, VPN, extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across a shared or public networks, as if their computing device were directly connected to the private network. This way, the remote user will have full access to local resources. OpenVPN is open source software that implements VPN techniques to create secure connections. I will guide you through the configuration step by step, so you can repeat it in your network. First of all, you need to add users in your ICS CUBE. To connect to VPN and OpenVPN networks, the user is necessary to have a username and password. Let's start configuring VPN. Go to the Network menu, the Providers and Network section. Press the Add button, Networks, VPN Network. In opened window, you need to specify the name of the network, IP address and prefix, protocol, for example L2TP IPsec with key, and check the box Use NAT to translate the IP address from our existing local network. After that, press Add button. Next, go to Authentication settings. Check the box VPN access next to the user to whom we want to allow this access. Press the Save button. Now we can start to perform VPN settings on the computer of the remote user. Universal way to configure a user's VPN connection for a PC running Windows 7, 8, 10 operating systems is using Control Panel application. For that, we should open a Control Panel, go to Network and Internet section, Network and Sharing Center, and select Setup a new connections or network. Then choose a Connect the Workplace. Use the Internet connection, VPN. Internet address is the external address of the ICS CUBE. Specify it and click Create. Now go to the Change Adapter Settings tab, and in the connection we created, in the Properties section, on the Security tab, we'll add a type of VPN same as specified by us when creating. In order to specify the key, you need to select Advanced Settings. And we are ready for connection. Type login and password, and now we in. For verify it, go to ICS CUBE, Network menu, VPN section, Current Session tab. That was one way of setting secure remote access for users into a corporate network using VPN. Let's talk about OpenVPN and start with setting. It uses a custom security protocol that uses SSL TLS for key exchange. Let's start, as in the previous example, from the Configuring ICS CUBE. Go to Security menu, Certificates section. We need to create two certificates, one CA certificate and one final certificate for our future OpenVPN network. Press the Add button. On the Settings tab, choose CA as a certificate type. In the opened window, check the box Do not encrypt private key. Now to create SSL inside our CA, Select it and press the Add button. On the Key Usage tab, select VPN server in the Template field. Press the Add button and check the box Do not encrypt private key in opened window. Now when we have the certificates, we can add a new OpenVPN network. We need to specify the name of the network, IP with prefix, and check the box Use NAT. Adding previously created certificates on the Cryptography and Certificates tab. Push default route to client checkbox means that default route of the client's computer will be set through the ICS CUBE. Let's give users the route to the local network inside the ICS CUBE. Now we go to VPN section, Users tab, and check the box OpenVPN access to user. Now we go to user personal page, and on the OpenVPN tab we download certificates. Download the config file and then send it to remote user. This file contains server and user certificates and network configuration. If you want to download certificates of all users of this OpenVPN network, you can do this by clicking the button in the Provider and Network section. To connect a remote computer, OpenVPN client must be installed on it. You can download it in the community section of openvpn.net. The client starts minimized and its icon is visible in the tray. Right-click on it and import configuration file. Make a right button click and select the Connect option. As you can see, that OpenVPN user is connected now. All connected users are visible at Current Session tab of VPN section. ICS CUBE also includes IP telephony based on asterisk technology. This model allows to set up incoming and ongoing calls, redirects and etc. Now we will briefly discuss the option of setting up a software telephony application connected via VPN. Go to IP telephony menu, Phone Numbers section. Press the Add button for adding a new phone number. Important to add the password. Now we can make setting on the remote PC. Run Apasoft One app, in our case it's Zoiper. Open Settings tab, create new account. Type of connection SIP. Specify a phone number as a user. Type a password. As a domain, we need to specify an IP address of VPN network. The account was added to the list means that registration was successful. To verify it, let's go to ICS CUBE web interface and update phone number list. The phone number 100 is assigned an address from our VPN network. Summarize. Using ICS CUBE, you can organize a remote office, and employers will safely connect to the network, use IP telephony to communicate with each other or customers. Send a request for testing ICS CUBE, and feel free to contact us with any question you have. Thanks for your attention. Take care and stay home.